Okay na. This is the snot game. Can you guess the word? Tell me when you know the answer.
Cut.
Okay.
This is the snap game. Before my turn, you gave me cut. Let your mind wander around the house. You will see it here. Let me give you another hint.
Ball. Balloon?
Balloon.
This is the snap game. I bet you know the answer. Can you guess it?
Ice.
Yes.
This is the snap game. For this turn, you have to look around the house again. Right now, it's maybe in front of you. Did you know the word already? Gotta hurry up, you're running out of time.
Fridge.
Fridge.
This is the snap game. Surely you're gonna guess the word. Focus.
Safe.
Yes.
This is the snap game. Most people who finished high school will be able to guess this. Tell me when you know the word.
Mitosis.
Mitosis.
This is the snap game. Can you guess the word? You better compose yourself.
Cytoplasm. Cytokinesis.
Yes! Ang bilis!
Kung konti naman ng words sa science na may CY. This is the snap game. Love you.
Electron.
More towards chemistry.
Elements. This is the snap game. Guess the word.
Germs.
No?
Genetics.
Yes.
This is the snap game. Pupils often don't know about this until they are in high school. Let me know when you're ready.
Plants.
Somehow connected to three
Plasma.
other... Yes. Galing.
This is the snap game. Please listen. Have you think the word? Tell me when you know the answer.
Photosynthesis.
Yes.
This is the snap game. Ready?
Aerobes. Aerobic. Aeroscope.
Do you know the answer?
Aerodynamics.
Yes. Galing. Ang tutuwa talaga.
This is the snap game. See if you can guess this word. Think more.
Astronomy.
Yes.
Favorite subject mo eh.
Yeah.